Hi, my name is Chris Barlow and I'm a senior lecturer at the University of Cumbria based in Lancaster. I was a primary school teacher for 18 years, but the last 16 years of my career in education has been enjoying teaching on both the undergraduate and postgraduate teaching degrees at the University of Cumbria. The thing I love most about my job is sharing my own passion for teaching with the next generation of outstanding primary school teachers. Today, however, I'm not talking to you from a classroom on campus, I'm talking to you from the seaside town of Morecambe, which is only 2 miles away from our Lancaster campus and has one of the most amazing views in Britain, the backdrop of the Lake District Fells looking out across the magnificent Morecambe Bay. The reason I'm stood here today is to let you know about our exciting new Environmental and Experiential Learning Specialism, or the PGCE EEL as we like to call it, which we now offer on our highly regarded primary teaching postgraduate degree. This module on the teaching degree has been inspired by the University of Cumbria's involvement with local schools who are involved in designing a bespoke, place-based Morecambe Bay curriculum. A curriculum which aims to offer a learning programme rooted in this unique location, looking at its people, its natural environment, its history, its future, and all the stories it has to tell. This local approach nurtures a deeper, richer understanding and care for the environment, and it fosters a learning of principles based on exploration and discovery within a child's own immediate surroundings. This new exciting primary postgraduate specialism offers the opportunity to use the learning lens of the local environment as a way to explore concepts, themes and philosophies related to place-based experiential learning, whilst also developing the transferable teaching skills in this area of learning which will be useful to you wherever you might end up teaching. Through utilising the rich learning canvas afforded by Morecambe Bay, this forward-thinking specialism aims to foster a love of inquiry-based outdoor learning, a recognition of the rich learning potential of the immediate environment, and the profound impact such experiences may have on children's lives. Through a variety of fieldwork experiences and opportunities to work with schools and local agencies, and by celebrating the associated creative and cross-curricular learning potential of Morecambe Bay, this interesting and thought-provoking specialism hopes to inspire and empower the next generation of teachers, and beyond them, our children. This course is for the environmentally minded potential primary school teacher who wants to celebrate a child's immediate locality in order to have a greater impact on their learning and development as children and as citizens. So come and study at University of Cumbria in Lancaster as we offer a rich and stimulating high-quality teaching course which will prepare you for a great career as a primary school teacher. You'll be supported by experienced and approachable tutors who really want you to succeed. Our Institute of Education is one of the top providers of teacher training in the UK, and we have taught and qualified over 10,000 teachers over the last 10 years. 9 out of 10 of our students also go on into employment or further study within 15 months of graduating with us. In fact, some of them have secured jobs during their final teaching placement. This makes us the top university in the Northwest for employment outcomes. By studying at University of Cumbria, you will be trained and supported, but above all, you will join a community of educators and teachers who are passionate about teaching and learning and are making a difference wherever they are. So apply now. We'd love to have you on board.